What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and today Apple Music got a very nice update. It came through over the air, so there's no iOS update required if you are a paying Apple Music subscriber or you try to view top charts now. Go over to Apple Music, browse, and then top charts. You'll notice that there is a pretty cool new feature here, one that I've been waiting on for a really long time. So the feature's right here. Officially, it's called Daily Top 100, and it allows you to see what different countries are listening to. Spotify's actually had this feature for a super long time, and now finally you can see outside of just your country or on the global charts what people are listening to. And what's crazy is Apple is actually, it looks like, custom designed all of these different like playlist covers, which is crazy. Like every single one of these, I think, looks just a little bit different. And there's so many countries on here. I think it's around 120, maybe between the 110 and 120 range. But pretty much any country that I think Apple Music is available in, there is now a daily top 100 chart for it. So you can see Ukraine or Uganda, or you can go up and go in the middle, maybe Greece or Ghana. Super cool options here. All the album artwork is really good looking. And of course, if you want to see what everybody is jamming out to, you can go to the top 100 and look at the global charts to see the most played songs around the world, and these charts are updated every single day. So Daily Top 100 is one of those features that I knew would come to Apple Music eventually. I just didn't know exactly when. It's cool that if you're learning a new language, say you're learning German, you can go over to the German charts and see what kind of music German people listen to, or what kind of music South Korean people listen to. I think it's going to be a great way to not only discover music outside of your comfort zone, but just to see what other songs are popping off around the world. Now, in addition to this change right here, I also noticed that after updating, I got a quick refreshed artist page. I don't know if this is a change coming in iOS 12 or if Apple released this on accident, but I noticed that this is how Eminem's personal page looked after updating. I really liked the fact that the latest album was up at the very top songs below that, and then a recommended essential album below. But since then, if I go back to Eminem's page really quickly, I've noticed that that's not the case anymore. If I tap right there, it looks pretty standard, no big changes or features. So maybe Apple accidentally released it, maybe it was a bug and it was never supposed to look like that. But honestly, I like this better than the current implementation. So hopefully Apple releases this artist profile redesign alongside iOS 12. As always, I gotta hear your thoughts on this down below. Is this feature enough to get you to switch from Spotify to Apple Music now that Apple Music has this feature? Which music service do you think is better? Let me know up in the top right hand corner of the screen if you stream music at all, or if you subscribe to Apple Music or Spotify. Very cool change. Very glad to see this is finally here, but there are some other features that I still want to see from Spotify, like a better way to view lyrics. You can sort of do it in Apple Music, but I really like in Spotify how you can go to a mode that will play the lyrics while you're playing the song. It'll like auto scroll and automatically go through them. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with Apple Music in the future. That is the entirety of today's update. All right, that's all I've got for you in this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, subscribe for more in the future. For now, I've been Sam. I hope you're doing great, and I will talk to you in my next video.